Welcome to Touring Globe. Join me as I dive into the UK visa requirements for 2025 and see if I can break down everything you need to know for your next trip. As of 2025, the United Kingdom has implemented significant changes to its immigration policies, emphasizing digitalization, increased financial thresholds, and streamlined application procedures. This guide offers an in-depth overview of the current visa and entry requirements for citizens worldwide, categorized by visa policy, travel purpose, and recent updates. 1. Categories of travelers. Visa nationals. Citizens from certain countries are classified as visa nationals, meaning they must obtain a visa prior to traveling to the UK, regardless of the purpose or duration of their visit. This includes countries such as Africa, Nigeria, Ghana, Sudan, Zimbabwe. Asia, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, China, India, Iran, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Middle East, Iraq, Syria, Yemen. Applicants from these countries must apply through the UK Visas and Immigration (UKVI) portal or at an authorized visa application center in their country. Non-visa nationals. Citizens from countries with visa-free agreements with the UK are considered non-visa nationals. They can enter the UK for short stays, up to 6 months, for tourism, business, or family visits. However, as of 2025, they must obtain an electronic travel authorization (ETA) before traveling. This includes countries such as United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Japan, South Korea, Singapore, Brazil, Malaysia. ETA-exempt individuals. Certain individuals are exempt from both visa and ETA requirements. British citizens, Irish citizens, residents of Ireland travelling from within the Common Travel Area (CTA), diplomats accredited in the UK. 2. Electronic Travel Authorization (ETA). The UK introduced the ETA system to enhance border security and streamline entry for eligible travellers. Who needs an ETA? As of 2025, travellers from over 50 countries who previously did not require a visa must obtain an ETA for short-term visits. This includes citizens from the US, EU, excluding Ireland, Canada, Australia, and others. Application process. Online application, through the official UK ETA portal or the UK ETA mobile app. Requirements. Biometric passport. Digital photograph. Personal and travel details. Payment of the application fee. Fees and validity. Fee, £10, subject to change. Validity, 2 years or until the passport expires. Processing time, typically within 3 working days. Important notes. Each traveler, including children, must have an individual ETA. Holding an ETA does not guarantee entry. Final admission is determined at the UK border. 3. UK visa types and purposes. Standard visitor visa. For tourism, business meetings, short-term studies, and family visits. Duration, up to 6 months. Eligibility, visa nationals must apply. Non-visa nationals require an ETA student visa. For individuals pursuing full-time studies at UK educational institutions. Requirements. Confirmation of acceptance for studies, CAS, from a licensed institution, proof of sufficient funds for tuition and living expenses. Duration, course length plus additional time post-completion. Viable business plan. Duration, varies based on visa type. Family visa. For joining family members residing in the UK. Eligibility, spouse, fiancé, partner, child, or parent of a UK resident. Proof of relationship and financial means. Duration, Varies, typically 2.5 years, extendable. 4. Financial requirements. Student visa. Applicants must demonstrate sufficient funds to cover tuition and living expenses. Living expenses. In London, £1,400 per month. Outside London, £1,100 per month. Duration, up to 9 months, depending on course length. Proof, bank statements showing funds held for at least 28 consecutive days. Skilled worker visa. Applicants must meet salary thresholds and maintenance requirements. Minimum salary, £38,700 per year. Maintenance funds, £1,270, unless the employer certifies maintenance exemptions. Certain sectors like healthcare may have different thresholds. Family visa. Sponsors must meet income requirements to bring family members to the UK. Minimum income. Spouse, partner, £29,000 per year. First child, additional £3,800. Each additional child, £2,400. Alternatives. Savings can be used to meet requirements under specific conditions. Tourist visa. While there's no fixed amount, applicants must show they can support themselves during their stay. Suggested funds, between £1,500 and £2,500 per visit. Proof, bank statements, accommodation bookings, and travel itineraries. 5. Transit without visa, TWWV. Certain travelers can transit through the UK without a visa under specific conditions. Eligibility criteria. Nationality, must be from a country eligible for TWWV. Travel plans. Confirmed onward flight within 24 hours. Valid visa for the destination country. Restrictions. Must remain in the international transit area. Not applicable if changing airports or leaving the airport. 6. Common Travel Area, CTA, rules. The CTA includes the UK, Ireland, the Isle of Man, and the Channel Islands. Key points. Free movement. British and Irish citizens can move freely within the CTA. Documentation. Proof of legal residence in Ireland may be required. 7. Brexit and EU travellers. Post-Brexit, EU/EEA citizens face new entry requirements. Short visits. Duration, up to 6 months. Requirement, ETA needed for tourism, business, or family visits. Long-term stays. Purpose, work, study, or settlement. Requirement, appropriate visa based on the purpose of stay. 8. Special circumstances and exceptions. Diplomatic and official visits. Dual nationals. British citizens with dual nationality should use their UK passport when entering the UK to avoid complications. Individuals in these categories may require specific documentation and should consult UKVI or a local British mission for guidance. 9. Application process. Visa application. Online application. Complete the form on the UKVI website. Biometrics appointment. Schedule and attend an appointment at a visa application center. Document submission. Provide necessary documents, including passport, financial evidence, and accommodation details. Processing time varies by visa type. Standard processing can take several weeks. ETA application. Online application. Apply through the UK ETA portal or mobile app. Requirements: biometric passport, digital photo, travel details, and payment. Processing time, typically within 3 working days. Stay tuned as we reveal the top tips for a smooth visa application experience and the most common mistakes to avoid. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe. See you in the next video.